Buzz Aldrin knows a thing or two about dressing for space. After all, he walked on the Moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission, and took a walk through space. But what about Mars? Questions. Well, Buzz has it covered, a $150 solar panel backpack in all the right colors for Mars. The backpack is part of the fashion line Mission to Mars of Aldrin with the label of Accessories Sprayground, based in New York, and is launched today February 8 as the final piece in the limited career of the line. Sprayground launched the collaboration with Aldrin last December, but the solar panel backpack was the only item that was not available at the time. The rest of the fashion capsule line included a parka, a duffel bag, a baseball cap and gloves. Buzz is the astronaut of our generation, Sprayground wrote in the initial announcement. He was not only the second man to step on the Moon through Apollo, he walked the Moon in Dancing with the Stars, he took the first space selfie in Gemini, and now his vision is the spearhead of a movement of base for us to explore Mars. Its adventurous spirit captivates dreamers and doers of all ages, people who are not afraid to push the envelope at work, in fashion, in life. Aldrin Mission to Mars. The solar panel backpack includes 8 solar panel bands, 2 USB ports for charging and an external battery pack. And, of course, there are many pockets and zippers that you would expect from a design inspired by astronauts.